Hey guys, Alaha here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. And if you're an existing subscriber, how you doing? Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. So today, things are a little different. I'm not wearing any makeup in my intro, and that's because I just wanted to do something super chill, super laid back, and informative. You guys have been asking for a favorites video for quite some time. You wanted some updated favorites because I haven't posted one in well over a year, and I am well aware of that. Today, I'm just going to show you some of my favorites that I have accumulated over the last few months to a year, and I really wanted to share them with you. I just want to thank Curology for partnering with me on this video. I have actually done an entire video on Curology before. I am obsessed with the skincare. I just restarted their regimen about 7 weeks ago, and my God, I am happy with my skin again. It is clear of any blemishes. It's radiant and glowy, and Lord, I'm very, very, very obsessed with their skincare. Curology is a personalized skincare brand, and that actually brings me to my first favorite. And of course, you guys guessed it, it is their skincare regimen. And what they do is they actually pair you with your own dermatology provider. And the dermatology provider actually analyzes your skin. You take photos of your skin, so you take a front photo, side profile, other side, and you send them in, and they create a custom prescription formula suited for your needs. And the best part is it's actually shipped straight to your door. So easy, so convenient, and right up my alley, because these days I don't go out much. Unless I'm working, I'm not out. I like to order everything online, okay? I'm just gonna be real with you. And another good thing is that they offer professional guidance on your skin needs and how to improve your skin. Curology is more than just acne treatment, it's actually preventative anti-aging. For example, fine lines, elasticity, evenness, wrinkles, brightening. These are all things that the custom formula paired with the cleanser and the moisturizer can help you achieve. And these are all prescription grade ingredients, which is very important because you're not getting cheap stuff. You have your own custom formula. As you can see, this is what the back of mine looks like right here. And this is what my dermatology provider has come up with based on my skin needs. For those of you that are gonna ask, it is certified Leaping Bunny, which means that it's 100% cruelty-free and vegan. So there's another bonus for you. So like I was saying before, you just upload a makeup-free picture and front, side. Your provider will connect with you and send you a custom bottle straight to your door. So your formula will actually adjust based on your skin throughout time. So if you want something stronger, you can tell your dermatology provider and they'll work on a stronger formula. If you want something that's a little weaker, then you just let them know and then they'll adjust the formula. So that's why this is perfect, because month to month, our skin changes, right? So if you guys want to sign up for Curology, I will put my custom link down below. The cost for this service is usually $20. However, your first month is completely free. All you have to do is pay $4.95 for shipping and handling, and the bottle will come straight to your door. And Curology wants this formula to work for you guys. So you have a 90-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason you're not satisfied, contact them and you will get your money back. Yes, you heard me correctly. 90-day guarantee, full refund. You have nothing to lose. Get on it. Okay, so enough with the rambling. Let's see how I use the products.
Okay, so step 1 is the Curology cleanser. I just apply a little bit of this all over my face and just wash my face. I like to kind of rub it in and scrub for about 60 seconds to really cleanse. Then I just rinse this off and dry my face with a towel. Next, I'm going in with my custom formula. This is step 2, and I know it says apply at night, but my schedule was flipped around here, so I was actually going to bed at 6 o'clock in the morning, and that's why the sun is up behind me. And I just take a little bit of this and I apply it all over my face and really just rub that in. And then I go in with my Curology moisturizer, and this is the last step, step number 3. Rub this between my fingers, warm it up a little, and rub it onto my face and my neck. And that's all you do for the nighttime routine. For the daytime one, you skip step number 2 and you just do steps 1 and 3. It's super simple and super easy.
So just as a little recap, again, step 1, cleanser, step 2, custom formula, step 3, moisturizer. Super easy, 3 steps, you're done, go to bed. They've made it very, very easy for you guys. So definitely try it out, thank me later, and remember, 90-day money back guarantee. Doesn't get better than that. So that brings me to my next item. As I mentioned, I don't have a single lick of makeup on my face. I just have lip gloss on and a little bit of a balm on my cheekbone and this area right over here. I'm going to share this with you. It is one of my staple products, both in my kit and for personal use. Especially for like editorial looks, guys, this stuff is life. It is the Danessa Myricks Duet Balm. So I have a few different shades, but my favorite one for my complexion and the look that I like to achieve is the shade Morning Dew. So as mentioned, it's like a balm, and you see it's on my middle finger right there. It's so subtle, but when you apply it to your cheeks, it gives you such a beautiful, radiant glow, and it literally looks like this is just your skin, but better, right? Again, that's by Danessa Myricks Beauty. She is an amazing, amazing, amazing makeup artist of over 20 years, and her work is literal goals. And I don't say that often, but her work is goals, okay? Check her out. My next favorite item is the YSL Top Secret Lip Perfector Balm. I use this stuff every single day. So whether I'm wearing makeup or not wearing makeup, I apply this bad boy to my lips and it just looks so good. It keeps your lips super hydrated and plump and glossy. And it also gives your lips like a natural rosy tint, which I'm obsessed with. Shout out to my friend MAKEUPBYALAHA. She is the YSL national makeup artist for recommending and sending this over to me. I'm obsessed with this stuff. Speaking of lip products, another product that I'm in love with is a drugstore product. This is the Milani Rose Lip Scrub. This scrub gets all the dead skin off of your lips, and it's not expensive. You can pick it up at any drugstore. The actual sugars, it is sugar because I've tasted it, and it's, yeah, rose sugar. It's so fine that it doesn't irritate your lips. I've used some very harsh lip scrubs in the past, and I was not happy. It like made my lips more cracked because it just was too aggressive, and this is like the perfect balance. And then it also leaves a little bit of moisture on your lips once you've cleaned this off. I don't like to lick it off because I think that's a little weird, like you're licking dead skin off of your lips, but I do like to wipe it off. And if I get some of the sugar in my mouth, then whatever, it tastes good. But you know, to like just like lick it off, I ain't trying to eat dead skin, even if it is my own, okay? Another product I want to talk about that's one of my favorites for about a year now, probably over a year, probably like 2 years. I got this in one of my like subscription boxes, I think it was. It might have been my Allure box. Not sure, but it is a lip sleeping mask. This is by Laneige. I don't know how to pronounce that. Don't make fun of me. Don't come for me. Don't at me. But this is their lip sleeping mask, and this is in the flavor Sweet Candy. It's so good. I put this on at bedtime, and when I wake up, my lips feel like baby lips. They feel so good because I noticed it because I used to just put it on just because I used to always keep Vaseline or Aquaphor or something by my bed and put it on my lips at night. But I would wake up and my lips were still super dry. So then I came across this in one of my subscription boxes, and it was a tiny little thing, and that thing lasted me a whole year. It was literally a quarter size of this. Like this I've been using since I want to say like March, and I've barely used any of it. Like look, that whole jar is still full, and I just used that little area right there. I've been using it for what, 7 months now? Okay, so I know we're like on a skincare roll here, but I have one last thing for skincare, and it is the Patchology Rejuvenating Eye Gels. I love these little eye masks because first of all, it comes with a cute little scoop like this, and I always keep this little lid on them. This is actually my second container of this. I keep the lids on them. You can use this little guy to lift one up and put it on your under eye. You leave it on there, and it makes the under eye area so silky smooth and hydrated, and concealer goes on like butter. So it's recommended to leave it on for about 5 minutes or longer if you desire. I always leave it on for as long as it takes me to do my eye makeup or my client's eye makeup. And as soon as we're done with the eye makeup, I take it off, and oh my God, your under eyes just feel so nice. And like I said, concealer goes on really nicely. And when you set it with powder, it doesn't look dry or flaky, which is very important. So nobody likes a cracked, dry, flaky, patchy under eye. So get on Patchology, okay? The next item I want to talk about is my Dalton Beauty TCE Concealer. As you guys can tell, this tube is pretty empty. Since I think it was November that I started using this, that's when I think they launched it. I have not put this concealer down. I swear to God, it is the best concealer I have ever used. Think Shape Tape, but better because it's not dry, it's not flaky, and it doesn't crack. I am obsessed with this concealer. I swear by it. Anybody that I've put on has thanked me a million times for A, their clients, and B, themselves. This concealer truly is a miracle concealer. It works wonders. It has really good ingredients. So you're not using crappy ingredients on your face to get rid of the problems that over time, the crappy ingredients are just going to increase those problems, right? Dalton actually takes pride in the fact that they use good for you ingredients, and I'm totally digging it. This concealer is called TCE Concealer. It stands for This Covers Everything, and I promise you, a little bit goes a very, very, very long way. I know in some of my videos, it looks like I'm applying a boatload of this stuff on my face. I am not. I'm using just a few, like literally a dollop of it on my hand. Is dollop a right word? No, like a pinch of it on my hand, and I apply it with the brush. And because it's so pigmented, it looks like, ooh, it looks like I'm applying a lot, but I'm not. Since November, I have gone through, this is number 7, I believe, 6 or 7, I can't remember, but that's how good it is, and I have not put it down. I literally have not put it down. Some days I'll just wear this and I won't even wear foundation, and I'll do my bronzer and blush and highlight and all that, and it literally looks like I have a full face of makeup on, but this is my secret weapon. So I love it. Definitely give it a try. My next skin / makeup item is the Huda Beauty Glow Cocoa Hydrating Mist. I am absolutely in love with this. It smells so nice. I love spraying it all over my face, whether I'm wearing makeup or not wearing makeup. You can use it as a primer, you can use it as a refresher, and you can use it to set your makeup, which is amazing because a setting spray that claims it does all 3, but then really lives up to it is very, very hard to find. So I highly recommend this. I like to spray it on when I'm not wearing makeup. I like to spray it on before I wear my makeup to kind of get my skin nice and supple and soft and prep it for makeup. And then of course I like to set my face with it on days that I need extra setting. So check this out, and it smells divine. So that's another bonus. Speaking of Huda Beauty, this is Kayali Hair Mist. This is a perfume hair mist. My God, when you spray this stuff in your hair, it smells so good. And like when you walk into a room and like you toss your head, you can smell it. And I just love that. I'm all about smelling good, smelling nice. Nobody wants nobody funky around them. So this smells really good. This one is the Deja Vu White Flower. And believe me, it smells so pretty. It's like jasmine almost. Jasmine, orange flower, Tahitian vanilla, gardenia. Smells really good, very floral, very fresh, very nice. And I love when my hair smells really, really good. This helps that like fresh shower shampoo smell stay in your hair longer, except better because this smells better than any shampoo I own or use. But yeah, definitely check it out if you guys are all about your hair smelling good. The next hair care I want to talk about is the Drunk Elephant Coco Mino Glossing Shampoo and Coco Mino Marula Cream Conditioner. I have been using these since quarantine, which was maybe June, maybe May. I think like May. I did a whole TikTok video on it. I really love the shampoo and conditioner and the scalp scrub and the leave-in conditioner. The scalp scrub is amazing for right before you shower. You put it in your scalp and you scrub it through. I don't have any more left. That's why I can't show it to you guys. And same thing with the leave-in conditioner. I'm all out, but I do the scalp scrub it through my hair, leave it in. It says for about like 10 minutes, I think it was. And then you shampoo and condition. My God, your hair smells and feels so nice afterwards. It just feels very clean and it smells very clean. It's not super, super fragrant. So it's not gonna like linger throughout the day if you guys are sensitive to smells, but it does give your hair like a fresh scent. And then I go in with the leave-in conditioner, and it's also like a detangling spray actually. I think it is a detangling spray, to be honest. But I spray that through my hair. I comb my hair, and my hair just looks so bomb afterwards. Like, this is air dried, nothing in it. Completely air dried, took a shower, came out, and this is what I got. So yeah, definitely check this shampoo and conditioner out if you're looking for a new hair care regimen. That brings me to my final item for the month. This is my Temp2 24 karat Gold Air. Now, you guys have seen Temp2 on my channel a million gazillion times. I absolutely love it, but what I have shown and haven't really talked about are the root touch-ups, okay? So I'm not gonna open it or use it or anything because I don't really have anywhere to demo it on right now, but I wanna say that this is my favorite air by far because it is so luxurious. Like the gold, it's limited edition, so if you guys are thinking about getting an air, this is the perfect time to get it. And $10 from every purchase of the Temp2 24K Gold Air will benefit the food bank. So that's another bonus. You're buying something nice and helping a good cause. But let's talk about the root touch-up. So the root touch-up spray comes in a pod, or it comes in the little bottles that you could pour in a pod, or you can pour in a traditional airbrush. And what you do is you just spray this on your roots if you have grays, or you can spray it in your hairline to perfect your hairline. I'm very big on that. Nobody has a perfect hairline, at least I don't. And so when I pull my hair back and I see some gaps or anything, I just spray it with this color right here. This is the Brown Black Root Touch-Up and Hair Color. So you can also use the Root Touch-Up on your eyebrows, but I like to use the brown black on my hair. Brown black is way too harsh for my eyebrows, so I like to use ash brown on my eyebrows. And it's amazing. It's pretty transfer and water resistant. Doesn't mean that it's transfer proof or waterproof, but it is pretty resistant. And I have worn this in the rain and it didn't like drip down my face, so you have nothing to worry about. And I absolutely love this stuff. One pod will last you pretty long because you don't need a whole lot. I mean, you're not spraying your entire head, you're just spraying your roots and your hairline. So it does last you a pretty long time. This one I think lasted me about 4, maybe 5 months, and I use it quite a few times a week. So if it lasted me that long, it'll probably last some of you even longer. So yeah, that being said, this concludes my favorites video for the year. And I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and check out some of these products that I mentioned because they are some of my holy grails and my ride or dies. That being said, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you for joining me. As always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're not following me already, please go ahead and follow me on all my other social media outlets. I have Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All of that is at MAKEUPBYALAHA. As always, thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for staying until the very end. I love you all so much. Thank you for all the love you show me. I really appreciate it. Deep down in my heart, I love you all, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.